Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Rooted in Nature stamp set. Now, if you don't have the Rooted in Nature stamp set and you have something else that works with this design, please go ahead and use that particular stamp set that you have in your stash. Speaking of design, this is not my original design. I found this design from a lady named Nicolai Heidlas. So this is the stack of papers that you get in your kit. And on this little 2.5 squared piece of cardstock, I'm going to be stamping my large leaf image, which I inked up with crushed curry and then daubed on a little bit of red and a little bit of Cajun craze and a little bit of shaded spruce. And then I'm just stamping all over my little square. And then I've inked up the second leaf, doing the same technique, inked it up in the lightest color and daubed on some of the darkers. And then and I needed a little bit more Cajun craze there, and did a couple of different stampings. Now here's my Stays On ink, and I am using the Thinking of You sentiment stamp and inking that up, pressing it down firmly. And there is my focal piece. So in the stamp set, there's also a secondary stamp. It says, "To thank you for all you do." And I stamped that on this little strip of crushed curry. So the stamped square goes on the middle layer, which happens to be crushed curry, and that's 2 5/8 square. And then those two pieces go on the Cajun craze square, which is 2 3/4 square. And then the inside piece, which is a Whisper White, 3 3/4 by 5, gets adhered to the crushed curry piece, which is 5 1/4 by 4. So regular dimensions. And then I'm just going to put my glue on and attach that to a regular card base. This is the inside, however. So adhering all that down, and you're going to see that this card base has a little cut in it, a little slit. So I did that for you. Leanne Graff has a good video. It's called the Folded Corner Card, and you can search on YouTube. I am just making sure that my folded piece lines up with my crease. So I'm making sure that that is even. That's the best way to do it, because this is a piece of Whisper White thick card and it can kind of wrangle out of place. So now I'm going to adhere all my focal pieces and adhere them right down to the center. And I think it looks so cute. So I'm just huffing or breathing on my stamp that had already ink. I didn't ink that up again. I just, huffed on it. Doing the same with this one. And that is my card kit for this month. So lots of cutting, but I'm super happy that you're shopping with me. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.